Good morning student. Today I Purnima welcome you to my class, and children, we were doing which chapters we were doing? Articles and determiners. Or I told you what is a determiner. Determiner is a word which is used before a noun, so that is a determiner. Okay, then I told you different types of determiner, and the first type of determiner was is article. And in the article there are two types of article are there. Okay, articles are of two types: indefinite, a and n, and definite. So these two types of articles are there. Okay, one is indefinite a or n, but that is definite article. Okay, so student, one more thing I would like to tell, that indefinite article, children, we will be reading. We have done the uses of a, and today we will be doing the uses of n. Adjective a or n and the are usually called article, and actually children, they are demonstrative adjective. A or an is called the indefinite article because it does not point out any particular or definite person or thing. Okay, I saw a boy riding on an ass. So no particular. I saw a boy, general. It has taken as a common noun, general noun. The is called definite article because it is used when we speak of some particular person or thing. This is the boy I saw yesterday. This is the book which I borrowed with you. As a general rule, a common noun in the singular number must have an article before it. So all the common noun, they must have an article before it. Like this is a table, this is an apple, the apple is on the table. But a common noun in the singular noun does not have an article before it when it is used in a general sense. Man is mortal. When we speak of a person or thing for the first time, we generally use the indefinite article a or n. But when we speak of the same person or thing a second time, we use the definite article the. So there are so many uses which I will be telling you when I will be telling you the uses of a. As a general rule, common noun in the plural number do not have the definite article the placed before them. Okay, generally, as a children, common noun in the plural number do not have the definite article the placed before them. Okay, common noun which are in plural number: bullocks draw cards, children like sweet. But when we speak of a particular person or thing that we have already mentioned before or that are known to us, we use the definite article the. The children of this house do not like the sweets. Okay, so with a singular common noun which are in plural, we don't generally put children article. Okay, with as a general rule, it is a general rule that in common noun with plurals we never put a we in the plural do not have the definite article the. But when we talk of a children of some particular thing, then we use the definite article the. Okay, so that I will be telling you now, children. Just now I will be telling you and uses of and. So we know that in English there are 26 letters are there in English. They are known as, children, consonant, and they are divided into consonant and vowels. So children, what are vowels? There are 5 vowels: a, e, I, o, u. Okay, what are vowels? So there are 5 types of vowel: a, e, I, o, u. Okay, and the other word is consonants like b, c, d, etc. So they are consonant. Okay, so remember, in a there are 26 letters are there in English alphabets, and consonant are b, c, d, apart from the vowel, and there are only 5 vowels are there: a, e, I, o, u. Okay, So we will be doing uses of an today. Now an is used before with a vowel sound. The first use of an used with vowel. An ass, an elephant, okay, an orange, an apple, an ink pot. So an is always used with vowels. Okay, now the definite article, then children, we use with the words which are silent. Okay, like an hour, an honest man, an air. So children, we use with the words which are silent. Okay, like or we can use second with profession. Like an engineer, he is an engineer. Okay, then third where H is silent. An hour, an honor, honorable man. We don't say an honorable. We say here H is silent. We say an honorable man. The word start with O. Pronunciation start with O. So that is why it is an honorable. We never say honorable. We say honorable. Okay. So now children, there are abbreviations, certain abbreviation are there where we use and okay. So then with the children, I already told you the word which is having a vowel sound, an apple, an elephant, an ink pot. Okay, now we will children use about the definite article the. So when we refer to some particular person or thing for the first time. Okay, now I am telling you about the use of definite article a. Okay, this is very very important. Okay, that when we use children definite article the, suppose if a person come first time for in the sentence, so we use a and then we use the. Like I saw a boy, the boy was from the Nepal. I saw a boy yesterday in the market, the boy was full stop, the boy was from the Nepal. So for the first time when you are using this, for the first time children, when we are using this, what we will find? We will find that children that we have put a, and then afterward what we will put? We will put the. Okay, so this was the first use of the. Second, as the name suggests, the definite article. So the is used with the particular person. So this is the second point with some particular person. The boys of this school are very obedient. let us go to the club, let us go to the hospital. So children, here we are using with some particular person or some particular thing or some particular place. Okay, let's go to the hospital. That means you are going to some particular hospital. I want the book which I gave you yesterday, some particular which was given to me, to you, that book, not the other book, that particular book I am asking. So here we use the. Okay, so the boy of this school are very obedient. The boy of some particular school. Now, children, when a singular noun is used to indicate a whole class, when a singular noun is used to indicate a whole class, the dog is a faithful animal. So children, here the dog is representing the whole class. That means it is telling to each and every dog of the world. The dog is a faithful animal. The elephant is a wise animal. The elephant is a wise animal. Okay. The rose smells sweet. So the third is when a singular noun is used to indicate whole class. So then we use the. Okay. Now, then children, with the name of the directions, all the four directions we always use the north, the south, the east, the west. Okay. Then children, before common noun, which are the names of things unique of their kind, or children, we can rather say that we use the with the things which are unique, okay, of their kind, like, and they are no other things apart from that, like the moon. The moon is shining in the sky. The earth rotates around the sky. The world is full of sorrow. Okay, the world. So it is this earth, the moon, the world is very unique. Then children, we use the with the name of the newspaper. Okay, with the name of the newspaper. The Hindu, the Pioneer, the Hindustan Times, whether it is a local newspaper or the national newspaper or the international. Like with local, the Dainik Jagran, the Sunday Times, these are the local newspaper. Okay, with some children books also. Children with some religious book also, like the Vedas, the Ramayans, the Puranas, the Bible, the Gita, the Quran. Okay, so these are the name of some religious books. So we use the with the name of the direction. We use the with the name of the newspaper. We use the with the name of the religious book. But children, when we have to say Valmiki's Ramayana, then here we never use the. Just remember this thing. The Ramayana is a religious book. Here we will use the, but children, when it is when like something we say like that Valmiki's Ramayana, so then children we will never use the here. Then children, before the name of seas, the Dead Sea, the Red Sea, okay, then with the name of oceans, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, with the name of Gulf, Gulf, the Persian Gulf, the Bay of Bengal, with the name of Gulf and children Bay. Then children, one more thing children, we use with the group of island, not with single island. Remember this thing, we use this with group of island, like the Vedas, the Ramayanas, the Puranas, with a group of islands, the Andaman, the Himalayas. Himalaya is a mountain range, so children here the is with use if the mountain ranges are there, not with a single mountain. Okay, like the Aravallis, the Himalayas, because Himalaya is not one mountain, it is having a lot of chain of mountain, it is mountain ranges. Or then when they say group of island, if the group of island is there, like the Andaman, okay, the Nicobar island. So with this we put the, right, children. Then we put the with the common nouns, which are the children with common noun, which with plural we never put the, with common noun plural we never put the, but children, this is a rule also, general rule, that with common noun in the plural number we do not have the definite article the placed before them. Like children, if it is plural number common noun we never put the, like birds builds nests, birds is plural, nest is plural. Children like sweets, both are plural. Bullock draw cars, bullocks and cars are plural. But when we speak of a particular person or thing that we have already mentioned before or that are known to us, we use the definite article the. But children, if we use the particular person or thing in a common noun plural, then we use the. Like for example, the children of this house. The children of this house do not like the sweet sold in the bazaar. Okay, the bazaar, that means some particular market where sweets are sold, that is not liked by that children. Okay. Then a common noun in the singular number must have an article sometime. The apple is on the table. Here we will not set an apple is on the table because we are referring to some particular apple. Before adjective in the superlative degree and before children. So this is also very important. Whenever superlative degree is there, then we put the. Okay. So like this is the best book I have ever seen. January is the children. It is January is the coldest season in India, coldest month in India, the coldest. Okay, the Brahmaputra is the longest river. Ganga is the religious. Ganga is the largest river of India. Okay, so we use the with the children with the superlative degree. Children, we also use the with the ordinal numeral adjective. That means with ordinal number we always use the. Like he is the, January is the first month of the year. January is the first month of the year. Okay, the January is the first month of the year. Now then children, we use the with the name of races. Okay, with the name of races, that and nations also, like the Hindus, the Muslims, the Christians, the Sikhs, the Parsis. Okay, children with the nations also. The English defeated the French. The English defeated the French. The English and the French are the nations. Then children, we use the before the name of language. Okay. Yes, the is not before used before the name of language because it is a proper noun. Like Hindi is easier than English. Now children, Hindi and English are the names of the language, and we never use proper noun. We never use the with proper noun. So we have to say Hindi is easier than English. Children, we use the before an adjective when the noun is understood. Okay, when the noun is understood, like the rich should help the poor. So children, here the rich should help the poor. Okay, so here the rich, that means children the rich people. Here it is indicating to the children rich means rich people should help the poor man, the young and the old, the high and the low, all loved him. That means children, the young people, the old people, the high people, the low people, everybody loved him. Okay, so these are the uses of the. Then children, there are many other uses also. Let me tell you. Okay. Now children, one of the other uses of the, which is written in the example of point 4, that children, when we use adjective of quality, so the is used with that. The beauty of the flower. Okay, the beauty of the flower is amazing. So we use the here. A noun to show a unit of measure. A noun to show a unit of measure. Like eggs are sold by the dozens. Milk is sold by the liter. Egg is sold by the dozen. Milk is sold by the liter. Then children, I told you direction and common noun that are unique. The east, the west, the earth, the moon, the planet. Okay. Then children, the is used with certain common noun like the cinemas, the temples, the theater. Okay. Then within noun children, I already told you, which is already mentioned. Like I bought a flower pot from that shop. The flower pot is beautiful. So we use the with a noun that has already been mentioned. And children, when it is clear from the situation which people or thing we mean, then we use the. From the clear, when we judge the situation that which people it mean, we use the. Okay. The main then children, I already told you, with such phrases that specify a person or object. The first house, the only baby, the same person, the main purpose, the next person purpose. Then with certain words we use the, like all the men of this world are very intelligent. Okay, all the people of this area are very hardworking. The main purpose, the next purpose, the first, the only, the same. Okay, then children, with the name of the important building we use the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar. Okay, then children, the is used with the whole family. The Ambanis are the richest people. The Bachchans are the most popular people in India. Okay, then yes, one important thing which I would like to tell children, that with a proper noun we never use the. But children, when some countries are there, okay, which are having children, some countries are here which are having children, some words like united, okay, or the then federal. So we use the with them, like the United States of America, the United Kingdom, the USSR, the Federal Republic of Germany. So children, you try to remember this, that generally we never put the with the name of country. Okay, we never put the with the name of country, but some of the countries are there in the world which are having the word united with them, or federal. So there we use the, like the United Kingdom, the USSR, the USA, the USSR. Okay, the Federal Republic of Germany. So student, the is used. Now children, I would like to tell children where we use children expression. Some of the expression are used where we use definite article the, like on the other hand. If you will see this, on the other hand, speak the truth, to play the guitar, the more the merrier. So these are some of the expression where we use the. On the other hand, speak the truth, to play the guitar, the more the merrier. Okay. Now omission of article a, and the. Omission of article a, and the. With proper noun, children, articles are omitted. That means it is not used. Okay. Like Mahendra Singh Dhoni leads the Indian cricket team. So Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a proper noun, and we never put articles with proper noun. We never say the Lucknow is the capital of India or the Delhi is the capital of India. We always say Lucknow is the capital of India. With proper noun, we will never say the. Children, plural nouns. When such noun denotes a class, children, when class is denoted by plural noun, when we never use the. Like children, it's a particular class. Children means a small human being. Birds is a particular species. We never use with birds. Family relation. When noun depicts family relation with respect to the speaker. When noun depicts family relation with respect to the speaker, because they are used like proper noun in such situation. Okay, like father loves to play cricket. Father loves to play cricket. So we never say the father. So we never say, children, we never use the with family relations when noun depicts family relation with respect to the speaker. Family relation of whom? The person who is speaking. Okay. We will never say the mother is going to the market, planning to go to the market. Mother is planning to go to the market. Then children, we never use the with the games. Okay. Like we love to play cricket. We never say we love to play the cricket. Chess is my favorite game. Well, children, with languages we never put draw. We never put the. The English is my favorite language. We never put the here. I have learned French in New Delhi. I like to study, and children, with branches of knowledge. Okay, with branches of knowledge, like Hindi is my mother tongue. I like to study science. Name of meals. We would like to have lunch. With meals we never put the. With dinner, with lunch, we will never put the. Name of disease. With name of disease we will never put the. Like children, she was suffering from malaria. She was suffering from children pneumonia. Okay. Then children, with the name of days, month and season, we never put the day. Children, the Sunday is the holiday. Okay. Monday is a working day. January is the coldest month in Delhi. In headline, message or email, we never put the. Like new bridge inaugurated by Chief Minister. We will never say the new bridge inaugurated by Chief Minister. If it is a heading or if it is a message, remember only in heading or message. It will, otherwise it will be done. Unidentified bag found at the bus stop. So this must be the headline of, seems to be headline of the newspaper. So we never put the. Common noun when they denote institution in general. So children, we put the with common noun when they denote institution in general. When I was in school, my mother used to be my teacher. Okay. So the children, common noun when they denote institution in general. So children, when I was in school, my mother used to be my teacher. However, most of noun mentioned can have the before them if we use them to indicate something in particular or definite. Like we can add the before Mahendra Singh Dhoni if we write Shlok is the Mahendra Singh Dhoni of our school. Here we attach a special meaning to the captain or some person. Similarly, children, we can add the before plural noun. The children love ice cream. That means some particular children. Abstract noun. The honesty of the poor boy helped him to get a job. Name of game. The cricket that they play was flawless. The can be added only we particularize the noun. Okay. So these are the uses of the. We do not use article with these phrases: to take to heart, to take interest, to make use, to be at fault, to take place, to set aside, at first sight, from head to foot, to take part. So, and children, last, we do not use article with the phrases given like by plane, by train, in trouble, at times, all day, all night, by air, at hand, by hand, on foot, on duty, by sea. So with this children, I conclude my video here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.